Amazon has been suspending accounts, suspending products, suspending ASINs now for the better part of 3 months as they do a sweep through all of the Amazon catalog looking for products with problems. Now, those problems specifically are usually related to the UPC barcode and issues around what's on GS1 database versus what you've got on your Amazon listing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check what GS1 knows about you and your product so that you can make sure that tallies up and matches with what's on display at Amazon too. Now, if you like this kind of content, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel. We post new videos every single day, all about helping you make muchos cashola, whether that's on Amazon or eBay, Etsy or Shopify. We're here to help you. And if you've got something you want us to cover, something you want to know a little bit more about, post in the comments below and I'll make sure that I do a video all about that just for you. With that being said, let's get into it. If you have purchased a UPC product code from somewhere like Speedy Barcodes or Nationwide Barcode or something like that, and you are already selling on Amazon and there's no problems at all, chances are that's a-okay. You don't need to worry about upgrading your UPC code. In actuality, you can't upgrade your UPC code. The only way you can get a new UPC code is to create a completely brand new listing, and you don't want to do that. So if you've already got a product up and running and selling and it's got a Speedy Barcode or a Nationwide Barcode, no dramas, you're good as gold, don't worry about it. If, however, you have not got your product up and running and you've got a Nationwide Barcode, Speedy Barcode, whatever the company is, yeah, just not GS1, you should absolutely come and check that the barcode is valid before you use it. Because if you don't, Amazon will suppress your listing. They'll stop you, they'll let you get up and running. They'll even let you start making sales, and then they suppress your listing. And that sucks. That sucks. And normally those listing suppressions are because of a difference between what's on the GS1 database and what's on Amazon. So the difference between those two things causes these problems, and the only way you can fix it is by updating your information on the GS1 website. So let me give you an example of that so it kind of makes sense to you. Here's a cool product. Disney Mickey Mouse decorative pillow in red. So let's just go find. So here's all the product information, and here's the ASIN number, as you can see, and here is the UPC number. Okay, so let's just get the UPC number, copy that, come back here. I'm going to type that in just there. All right, I'm going to give you this as a link. If you're watching this on the replay, just search for where we're going to search. I'll give you the link. I don't know how you search for this outside of this. I went through my GS1 account, send to all. So I'll put the link in the Facebook group for you instead, okay? Anyway, so this is what you do. You come and check it. So if there's ever a problem at all with your listing being suppressed or something like that, this is the first thing you should do. You can check two types of things. You can check the ownership of that particular number, and you can check the information that's held on file by GS1, okay? So I'll just show you the ownership. So I'm just going to hit search. So here's all the ownership details, and this is what Amazon checks. So when you list this product, they will go check if everything matches up. They'll go check all that, and if it doesn't, they suppress your listing. So what have we got here? Party name is Nojo Baby and Kids Inc. Okay, so if that isn't the seller of this product on Amazon, there's a problem, and it should be exact as well. It's that address. So they're in Compton, which is a lovely suburb in California, in Los Angeles. If that doesn't match, there's a problem. They'll suppress. So everything has to match up. This is the first thing you should come and do, is come and check it all out. Now, I wonder if we can also search for information. I think I've got to be logged in to do this, but if I don't know. Information, yeah, so that's it. So it's just getting a return code back saying that I'm not logged in, basically. So if you're logged in, then you can also do an information search as well, okay, which kind of gives you a little bit. What you'll see when you log in with it is you should see information about the product as well. I'll talk about that in a second for you, but you'll see information about what the product is, and that comes down to things like brand name, product name, and I'll talk about that in a second for you. But there's 4 different things it covers. So there's that as well. You've got to go check that. So if you've got either a listing that has been suppressed, that's the first thing to go and check. Or you're going to set up a new listing and you've got a barcode that is not a GS1 purchase barcode, you should absolutely check the details for that barcode, because you often find, depending on the company, that the barcodes are just invalid. They just don't work. So you want to go check that. Okay. All right. So next, I don't know. I'd imagine that this image is licensed from Disney. If it's not, they would get themselves, I mean, it says brand Disney, and they're using the word Disney, so you've got to think that they have been given permission to sell that product, because Amazon would absolutely check. Okay, so that's how you check if your UPC code is valid. Very important that you do that. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members from Australia, and indeed from right around the world, all in there helping each other build their own money-making businesses. We've got sales of over $50 million as a group, and if you'd like to find out more and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. I'll see you next time. Bye.